One thing Mr. Trussell and I like to do around the holidays, okay, make our jack-o'-lanterns. Hey, if you are a born and bred Minnesota kid, you probably know a little bit about farming, not much. We have lots of farming in our economy. Okay. Downtown Minneapolis, you see a hub of grain elevators, like Fleagles over here. Mid-90s, okay, one of the grain elevators exploded. The top just went up. If you drive to Washington Ave, right by the Metrodome, and you're going west on the north side, you'll notice buildings that don't have tops on them. They exploded. What happened is when you load grain, and they're actually making flour there, you know how small flour pieces and particles are? If you make something small enough, gentlemen, make things small enough, they will light on fire. Most anything will, if you cut it up small enough. Well, you put these grains, they're going into the top of the elevator, they start moving around, get this motion. In my class we talked about particle motion. Those gas particles start moving. Well, you get solids moving that fast to create a lot of heat. A lot of heat, you get a flame, enough particles will light up, they'll explode. Theoretically, it could happen in downtown Rosemont, Fleagles, but they have some unique instruments in there that so it doesn't happen. Well, there's some household chemicals, I'm not going to tell you which ones, and I'm going to tell you not to do it, or you can do it at home. Okay? It's a good trick to pull on little kids when they're coming up to get the candy from your house. Do this to them. Now, if we can actually shut the door.
Don't drop lights for us.
Turn off the lights, please. Okay, we're running out of time, so we're only going to do this one. We'll turn on this. 3, 2, 1. Now thing is flaming pumpkin. Now imagine it's a building where the pumpkin was completely enclosed with no top, and you might have actual exploding pumpkins. But we just need fire breathing. The next thing you do, carve a pumpkin, cut a hole in the top of it, don't put the face on there yet, lights please, and fill it with water, then put it in the deep freeze. Even a solid pumpkin with ice. So then the people who like to kick in pumpkins will be kicking in ice cube. It's a really fun thing to do. Last thing that we ask is tomorrow night, when you're done trick-or-treating, or your little siblings have trick-or-treated all to their delight, take and divide all the bad candy to one side and all the Reese's Pieces to the other. Because there's a big concern in China about the milk. Well, Reese's Pieces use the milk from China. So I want you to take all those Reese's Pieces, put it in a bag where it can Keen and Trussell.